So we're going to go with this wee one today. So you're going to go double jab right, and then see after that we're going to chain a wee combination together, and we're going to go 1, 2, and then the last one's a swivel. Bam! So it's the third one's the hard one, the third jab. And so just getting you in the habit of like in range, like touching 1, 2, 3, and then boom, boom, bang, and then popping through with that last one. So you chain it. So it's not a matter of like this. What you see, it's not going like 2, 3, bum, bum, bum. It's like this: 1, 2, 3, boom, boom, boom. It's a wee split second.
Right.
It'll feel like instant, but it is a split second.
So after the first one, let's just slow down a bit.
Yep. So I'll be like 1, 2, 3, and then look, I'm moving. So you're bum, bum, bang. It's like, because sometimes what happens in a lot of fights, and Ilia Topuria talked about this here, a lot of fighters throw a combination 1, 2, 3, and then the fighter who's getting hit sort of just defends there and doesn't expect anything to come after it. So this is like chain, the way you would chain wrestle. This is the same thing in boxing. So we're going double jab right, but then sort of nearly instantly as they move away, bum, 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 catching them, because they don't expect that, because usually you're only throwing a 1, 2, 3 combination. All right, so that's what we're working on, chaining this together. So it's double jab right, and then it's bum, bum, bang, and it's that last one you really pop through, right, with the jab. Yes, beautiful. Yeah, solid, man. Go. Yeah, so good. Again. See where I'm kind of moving too? Makes it realistic, like. Yeah. All right, relax. Go. Beautiful. Again. Solid. Again. Rest, good lad. That's beautiful. And it's just a wee subtle step, you know. So bum, bum, bum. Move back for me. Bum, bum, bum.
You're stepping through.
Stepping through. You see as I kind of move, so you're not too far off.
And that
you know.
One's your still.
Yeah.
That one's your...
Yeah, exactly. So it's... Yeah. Good. Lovely. And again. So working in with a double jab right, and then it's 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Right. And really emphasize that 1, 2, 3. You know, so double jab right. Boom, boom, boom. Good. Right. Boom. Yeah, you're fine.
Pass the back.
Yep. Beautiful. Right, I'm just going to go over that real quick again, because that's fantastic the way you're doing it. But it is a matter of the double jab right is getting the person either moving, reacting, or blocking, but they're not expecting that lead, back lead, right? So you're just setting that up. So we're going 1, 2, 3. You maybe made them react. Now it's boom, 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 as they don't see that coming, right? And even they may even have stuck their feet down because they've took a step out thinking you're not going to come back in again, you know?
So they're just going to throw it all at once.
Exactly. So this is the perfect way to do this, all right? So just chain it together, nice. Beautiful. Lovely. Solid. Good, and again. Now you see that first left hook where I see it going wrong there is a matter of, so I want you to go 1, 2, 3, all right? And then from here, you could even just a touch. You don't have to fully rotate to telegraph it, but 1, 2, 3, you're already kind of here. That's your split second, and then it's 1, 2, 3.
Right.
All right, so rather than this 1, 2, 3, bringing it right back and stand still, I want you to kind of chain it nice. So 1, 2, 3, rotate, boom, boom, boom. Right. All right. All right, so 1, 2, 3, and then it's bum, bum, bum. Yeah, good. Bum, 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 bum. Beautiful. Bum, 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 bum. Again. Bum, bum, bum. Yeah, you're sweet, you're sweet. Keep the elbows tucked in. Good. Again. Beautiful, that one. Yeah, that's the idea now. Yeah. Let the hands go, but a wee bit for me, right? What I mean by letting the hands go, kind of just take the juice out of it. Right, you're fast, man. Yeah. When you kind of use that speed. Yeah, yep, that's the idea. Yeah. There you go. 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 Rest. Good. See this left hand? You're keeping up. See when you're hooking? Trust the hook and bring the hand a wee bit higher to protect. You're sort of throwing that hook a wee bit here. Alright, you can get caught over the top. Alright? So just trust. Yes. Alright? So double jab right. Yeah, that's exactly it. shift. Yeah, bring that hook up. Yeah. Yeah, one, boom. Right, pop. Yep. Pop, boom, boom. New angle, okay? Yeah. Speed them feet up. Oh, you're sweet, and again. Good. Good, man. Listen to them hands up, let me see the hands go now. There. That's 10 times better, you see what I mean? Technique right. Breathe. Elbows in. Go. Go. Speed it up. Go. Go. Rest. See, after throwing that combo, boom, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Just block.
Right.
Just get ready to block. Right. All right. Everything tight. Elbows in.
Yep. Oh, I haven't.
Just get the hands. Right. Try to get it. There. Yeah. Right. All right. So. Lovely. All right. That's solid. Good.